plane na kami. Good morning, guys. Hello. Before the flowers. Thank you, Manila! Good morning! We're here at Bicol International Airport. Good morning! Nasa plane na kami.
Tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air.
And support in emergencies.
Touchdown, Manila.
Sabay si Boss Talit eh, parang wala lang nangyari, ngiti-ngiti.
Kawan si babae.
Si ano dyan nga?
Hi guys, nandito kami sa ano? Saan nga?
South of Market.
South of Market, hindi sa Cebu. Hi po! Ate, mag-hi ka din natin. Oh, shout out!
Hi, welcome to South of Market Princess.
Yay!
It's raining in Manila.
Na mga ano?
Hindi po. Tugon!
Na, thank you Lord.
Oh, tingnan na.
Okay, ukay. Tara.
Ako.
Ako ka dyan sa tao. Meron pa yan.
Oo, hayaan mo na.
Left, right.
Uy, kong.
Sige, ma-explain yung ano. Bakit kayo?
Ano kaya ang bit ko?
Morning!
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good morning, guys.
Hello, good morning.
Today is December 29, 2024. At hindi ko alam kung nasan tayo. Nasan ba tayo?
No, magagala lang kami. Pupunta kami ng Tagaytay, tapos Cavite.
We'll take you today to
Trip.
our trip. You want to say hi? Hi. Yan lang. See you later. Hey guys, good morning.
Hello.
We're already here in Tagaytay.
Nasa Tagaytay na kami. Ayan. Galing na kami sa Our Lady of Manaoag. Tapos ngayon, nandito na kami sa Picnic Grove.
Oo, punta ulit kami dito.
Magpapapresko lang kami.
Mag-i-interview tayo ng mga tao. Tingnan nga natin. Dito ka sa kabila, be. Dito ka sa kabila. Hello po. Welcome sa vlog namin. Ano po masasabi nyo? ano po masasabi nyo na nandito ka ngayon? Malamig! Malamig! Thank you po for your time. Enjoy po! Good morning! Mag-hello kayo sa vlog.
Welcome to Baguio.
Now we're here in Tagaytay. Say hi, MJ. Say hi.
Hi!
Say hi, vlog.
Because I'm happy.
Hello. Nandito kami sa Second Cup Cafe.
Where's the first cup?
First cup is over there.
수줍은 미소에 설레는 마음 따뜻한 눈이 셔서다微笑和我悸动的心 햇살처럼 따뜻한 너의 눈빛.
Hello, good morning. We're here at Second Cup Cafe and we're having matcha latte, our favorite. Hi guys.
Hello guys. So, umalis na kami sa Picnic Grove and then we're out for lunch.
We're currently here at Leslie's. sa Tagaytay.
Leslie's.
So ito ang view. Papakita ko. May mga nagpipicture daw. Ito ang view. Ayan. Takpan natin yung mga tao. Show yourself.
Sorry.
Ito. Ang lamig dito. Tingnan nga natin kung ano ang nasa loob nito. Whoa. Oh, you can see everything. Wow. Okay, so how's the view?
Maganda yung view kahit after nung umulan. So, nagpakita naman ulit yung Taal Lake kasi sunny ulit. So, maganda yung weather ngayon habang nagla-lunch kami. So, we'll be having a great view. Lunch with a great view.
Okay, so babalik na tayo sa taas kasi kakain nga muna tayo, di ba?
Oh, kailangan na natin
Let's
mag-refill
go.
ng tiyan kasi gutom na tayo.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, nandito na tayo sa table. So, kumusta ang inyong vacation?
It's fine.
Nag-order na sila, pero wait lang.
Take over.
Hi guys. So,
Wala
nakalis
na
kami
tayo
sa
sa
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Nasa,
Nandito tayo
ano na
sa-
kami, airport.
Ito na. International Airport. Dito tayo ngayon sa
Torres Farm.
Hotel and Resort.
So, ito, papasok na kami sa airport.
Papasok tayo sa airport. Ito yung loob ng airport natin. Let's go travel around the world.
Oh!
Let's ride the airplane. Here's the airplane. We're off to Netherlands. Let's
Going
go.
to Netherlands na kami.
Let's go to
Okay,
Eiffel
sige, basta
Tower.
doon, sa Eiffel.
Here's Eiffel Tower. We're walking around the world.
Nasa MOA na kami. Wala nang mic.
Morning.
Good morning.
Today is December 30, 2024. And we're about to go for a run, but it's raining.
Yeah.
It's been raining.
Wake up in the morning, sun is shining bright, stretching out my body, feeling alive. Lace up my sneakers, tie them nice and tight. Gonna hit the pavement, gonna take flight. Every step I'm taking, I'm leaving it all
And 25.
behind. I'm running free like the wind.
Morning.
Hello.
Dito na kami sa
Track 30
Track 30 yet. Tapos na kami mag-run.
Sa kami mag-run.
Run with more walk at TikTok. Here's the view. I love you.
I love you too.
Ang baduy. Okay, we're done. Where are we going?
We're going to S&R or St. Luke's to meet your friends.
They're not replying. Ano na lang. Let's go.
Find good coffee.
Yeah, and find good coffee. No, I don't drink coffee anymore.
Yeah,
Matcha.
I remember. Hot drink.
Okay.
Yan na yun.
Bibi! Love!
Sabi ko, okay ako. Good matcha. Kiss mo daw sa harap ni Lord. Kiss ka? Ano to?
Take it.
All day, every day walking.
How many
BGC.
steps?
I don't know. I can check my watch. We'll update later. Halaso. Alin? For the flowers. Okay. Punit na ang paper bag. Sobrang bigat eh. Kami nasa labas na naman kami. Pagod na. Pero kakain pa ng dinner.
Ito na bibig ko.
Ika.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Everyone.
Hello guys.
It's December 31st. And it's currently 8:09 and I think the New Year countdown already started.
Yeah, probably
concert,
the artists are starting their performances right now.
And we're on our way to 5th Avenue.
Come with us.
And enjoy the night. Yay!
Yung cup, tatapon na yung cup? Bawal daw. I will give you. Ito. Ano?
We're here at the venue. Hi guys, we're here at the venue.
Sa venue na kami, so naghihintay lang kami may mag-perform na.
And we're currently on live on TikTok.
you, Manila!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Resident cat of South Market. South of Market. Sleeping.
Going home na sila. Kabit sa may Bacoor. Sorry.
So, good morning. Nasa Terminal 3 na kami. Welcome to Daraga.